second race was Paul. No. I just want to make sure. The third is for the fourth race is Navin win the race.
Who represent Navin? Yeah. Somebody is who represent Navin, man. Come on, champion trophy.
Which one there?
Like your yeah, no. Next time. The race between
Navin, who represents he?
No.
Antonio.
Yes, Navin win the race.
Navin supposed to race, but remember Navin board is
Who is the substitute board?
Antonio.
Butcher.
Butcher is the
Butcher, yeah, Butcher. So Stefan and Anwar, the race went on, right? Yes. No changes. Anwar the winner there. Arvin versus Antonio. Sor versus Redman, right? Yes. All right, good morning, fellas. So once again, we are here at Bar Settlement, and we had a very successful competition. The competition was between Uprising versus Corriverton Board Racing Club. Now, on behalf of all the board men out here, we would like to, congratulate the winners as well as thanking the people to come out here to support this event.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
So we must thank you everybody to come out here and show the support. Now, I don't want to make this presentation long and drawn out, so we go straight into the races. We had 7 races this morning, and the first race was between Suki versus John. The second race was between Chinese versus Paul. The third race was between Pharmacy Shan versus Farad. The fourth race was between Butcher versus Triggs. The fifth is Stefan versus Anwar. The sixth is Arvin versus Antonio. And the 7th race is between Sor versus Redman. So the winner for these races, the first race, the winner there is Stuki. Can Stuki please come for the representative from Uprising? Please do the honor.
Look at the camera.
Turn.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, man, let me get him all in.
Come on, man. All right.
Yeah, the second race, the winner there is Paul.
Paul. So let me get this thing done.
Your Uprising member and she gift to the Come Paul. What you You gotta smile at him and get a thing, the new day.
Come here, I got you. Yeah, Paul. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Smile. Yeah, the third race is, the winner there is Farad. Farad, please come forward. Bobby's winning 4-3 by. Yeah,
look at the camera.
Nice. Yeah.
Round applause, please.
The next winner, please come forward.
Right there. Somebody from
Marias, come to the Guyana, man.
Yes. Fight Mode. I invite for come and Butcher board so next week Sunday.
Butcher?
You understand? We got some turnouts for you. Some.
Don't need to let the yarn. Hey, one of my hands so strong, man.
Don't worry.
The next winner is the fifth race. The next winner is Anwar. Anwar.
That's not going to make that extra space you are.
Yeah, nice. The next race, that's the sixth race. The winner there is Antonio.
Human by human.
And the last race is between Sor versus Redman. So I can give Redman.
All right.
Yeah, Redman.
Congratulations.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Happy Heritage Month, man.
Let me get a group picture.
Loser.
All right.
Y'all me here.
All right.
Come in. Paul, a group picture.
Good photo. Hey, don't tap a car. Don't do nothing.
Is what my brother? Oh Jesus! Oh Lord! Where this guy say, man?
Winners and losers. If I want a group picture, we want group picture. Yeah, if I want come.
All the winners. Yeah. What's our trophy, man?
Come in, bro.
Everybody, let me go.
Come in.
Somebody falling.
Knock down the
Somebody
man.
got stoop down and everybody.
Yeah, see. Go chance, see going there, chance, see going there.
Find this show, get by.
He's a come man too.
Watch the road. Watch the road.
Oh, Sean, you got stoop down there. Yes, come in the picture now.
Come now, Ben, come.
Come in there.
Come on, the hand way by there. The hand way. You ready?
Yeah, tell me.
One more. Nobody is smiling. Good.